The year 2024 holds a treasure trove of opportunities for online money making with minimal effort required. In today's digital age, the potential for creating income online has grown exponentially. Just a few years ago, the idea of making a living through the internet was a distant dream for many. But now, it's a reality that's within everyone's reach. All you need is a stable internet connection and a bit of know-how. The internet has become a bustling marketplace, filled with opportunities for those willing to tap into it. From selling products or services to monetizing your expertise or creativity, the options are virtually endless. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard or have a big startup capital. This is where the concept of lazy money making comes into play. It's all about leveraging the power of the internet to create passive income streams that can earn you money while you sleep. So are you ready to explore this modern gold rush? Let's dive into the trick that even beginners can use to start earning money online. Welcome to the world of lazy money making, where your money works for you. Now you might be wondering, what exactly is this lazy money making? Well, it's a clever approach to generating income that requires minimal effort and time investment on your part. Yes, you heard that right. Minimal effort. Imagine this. You're lounging on your couch, sipping your favorite drink, perhaps engrossed in a thrilling novel. And all the while, your bank balance is growing. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But with lazy money making, this can be your reality. So how does this work? It's all about setting up streams of passive income. These are avenues that, once established, continue to generate income without requiring your constant attention. It's like planting a seed, watering it until it grows into a tree, and then enjoying the fruits it bears year after year. Now, if you're a beginner, you might feel a bit overwhelmed. But let me assure you, this method is absolutely beginner-friendly. You don't need to be a financial whiz or a tech guru to make this work. All you need is a willingness to learn and the patience to let your money grow. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Let's delve into the steps of this trick. The first step to lazy money making is identifying your skill or interest. Now you might ask, why is that important? Here's the thing. When you're passionate about something, it never really feels like work. It's like playing a game you love or reading a book you can't put down. It's engaging, it's fun, and it keeps you motivated. Can you imagine making money doing something you genuinely enjoy? That's the dream, right? And the good news is, in the online world of 2024, that dream is absolutely achievable. Now let's think about your interests. Maybe you're into photography, or you love creating digital art. Perhaps you're passionate about fitness, or you're a whiz at coding. Whatever it is, there's an audience out there who shares your passion and is willing to pay for your expertise. But remember, your skill or interest doesn't have to be anything grand. Even everyday skills like cooking, home organization, or budgeting can be turned into a lucrative online venture. The key is to find something you're good at and something you love. Once you've found that sweet spot, the journey to making money online becomes a whole lot more enjoyable and a lot less like work. So, take some time to reflect on your skills and interests and figure out how you can turn them into a profitable venture. Once you've identified your skill or interest, it's time to move to the next step. The second step involves setting up passive income streams related to your chosen skill or interest. Now, what exactly is passive income? It's a source of revenue that requires little to no effort to maintain once it's set up. It's like having dollars roll into your account while you're busy doing other things, or even while you're sleeping. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? Well, it's entirely achievable, and there are several ways you can set up these passive income streams. Let's start with creating digital products. This could be anything from an ebook to a course, a podcast, or even a mobile app. If you've identified your skill or interest in the previous step, this should be a breeze. For instance, if you're a whiz at baking, you could create a detailed video course teaching others how to make your famous chocolate chip cookies. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. So, for all you fashion enthusiasts out there, you could partner with your favorite brands, feature their products on your blog or social media, and rake in the profits. Lastly, there's investing in stocks. This one's a bit more complex and does involve some risk, but the potential returns can be significant. If you've got a knack for numbers and trends, you could consider putting some of your savings into the stock market. Remember, it's essential to do proper research and perhaps even seek advice from financial experts before diving in. What's common among all these methods is that they require some initial effort to set up, but once that's done, they can generate income for you continuously without requiring much maintenance. So, start exploring these options and see which one resonates with you the most. With your passive income stream set up, you're already on your way to making money while you sleep. The third and final step is promoting your passive income streams. Now let's say you've identified your skill or interest, you've set up your passive income streams, but if no one knows they exist, they won't generate any income. That's where promotion comes in. It's the engine that drives traffic to your income streams, and ultimately, the fuel that fires up your earnings. Promotion can take many forms, and the best strategy often depends on the nature of your income stream. However, there are a few tried and tested methods that work well across the board. First off, let's talk about social media marketing. The beauty of social media is that it's where the people are, and it's free to use. It's a space where you can engage with your audience, share valuable content, and direct traffic to your income streams. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and even TikTok can be great places to start. Remember, consistency is key. Regular posts keep you in the minds of your followers and increase your visibility. Next, consider search engine optimization, or SEO. This is a method of optimizing your online content so that a search engine likes to show it as a top result for searches of a certain keyword. Imagine being the first result when someone Googles a term related to your income stream. It's all about choosing the right keywords, creating high-quality content, and building a network of links. Another effective method is email marketing. Building an email list allows you to keep in touch with your audience and keep them updated about your products or services. It's a direct line to your followers and a great way to foster a sense of community. Finally, don't underestimate the power of partnerships. Collaborating with others in your field can help you reach a wider audience. Whether it's guest blogging, podcast interviews, or joint webinars, partnerships can be a win-win situation. And there you have it, the lazy money-making trick in all its glory. Let's quickly recap the lazy money-making trick. We've come a long way in our journey today, and I'm sure you're all eager to start making your own passive income. But before we do, let's take a moment to look back on the steps we've covered. Firstly, we discussed the importance of identifying your skill or interest. This is the foundation of your money-making journey. It could be anything from web design to cooking, writing to gardening. Whatever it is, it's something you're good at and enjoy, something you can share with the world. Next, we moved on to setting up passive income streams. We learned how to turn our skills or interests into a product or service that can generate income while we sleep. Whether it's creating an online course, selling digital products, or setting up a blog, the key is to establish a system that works for you even when you're not actively working. Finally, we delved into promoting your passive income streams. This is where we learned about the power of social media, SEO, and networking. It's not enough to just set up your passive income streams. You need to actively promote them to reach your target audience and start making money. So there you have it, folks, 3 simple steps to make money online, even if you're just a beginner. And remember, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and a bit of patience. But with consistency and dedication, you can start to see the fruits of your labor. I encourage each of you to give this lazy money-making trick a try. Start small and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learn from them and keep going. It may seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, it can be a rewarding and enjoyable journey. Remember, the world of online money-making is at your fingertips, waiting for you to tap into its potential. So what are you waiting for? Start your journey today and make the most of 2024.